A gaming PC is one of the most flexible ways to play games, with options to upgrade and pick just the parts you need. There's plenty to keep in mind when buying a gaming PC: power, size, and components. There are many PCs for gaming to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best PCs for gaming from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Skytech Gaming PC. The Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming PC desktop delivers exceptional gaming performance with its Intel Core i5-13400F processor and NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card. This potent combo handles demanding games at ultra settings, maintaining over 60 FPS. With 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, it ensures rapid load times and seamless multitasking for an immersive, lag-free gaming experience across applications and games. Featuring 4 RGB fans for superior airflow and thermal management, the Nebula prevents throttling during intense gaming sessions, ensuring optimal and consistent performance. It comes with a gaming keyboard and mouse, allowing you to dive straight into the action without additional peripherals. These accessories offer responsive key travel and precise tracking for an enhanced gaming experience. The Nebula provides a sleek and user-friendly OS interface, making it easy to navigate and customize your setup. Number 2. MSI Codex R Gaming PC. The MSI Codex R is a powerful and versatile desktop computer that offers excellent performance for a wide range of tasks, including gaming, video editing, and general computing. With its combination of an Intel Core i5-13400F processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, this machine delivers impressive processing power and graphics capabilities, making it an ideal choice for gamers and content creators alike. One of the standout features of the Codex R is its 16GB of DDR5 RAM, which ensures smooth multitasking and efficient memory management, even when running multiple applications simultaneously. The Codex R is designed with efficient airflow in mind, ensuring that its high-performance components can sustain their peak performance levels over extended periods of use, such as during intense gaming sessions or video rendering. This attention to thermal management not only enhances reliability but also contributes to the longevity of the system. Number 3. Thermaltake Glacier 360. The Thermaltake Glacier 360 gaming desktop is designed for gaming. The mid-tower case with its tempered glass side panel and swing-open design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly practical. The magnetic mounts and easy access to internal components make it convenient for users to upgrade or swap out parts as needed, ensuring longevity and the ability to keep up with evolving hardware requirements. The closed-loop liquid cooling system with a 240mm radiator and 3 ARGB fans is a noteworthy feature. Liquid cooling solutions are generally more effective than air cooling setups, especially for high-performance components like the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X CPU. The 240mm radiator and multiple fans should provide ample cooling capacity, even during extended gaming sessions or resource-intensive workloads like video rendering or 3D modeling. Number 4. Styabron Gaming PC. The Styabron Gaming PC is a high-performance powerhouse that caters to a wide range of users, from gamers to professionals. Boasting an Intel Core i7 processor with up to 3.9 GHz speed and a robust 16GB memory, this machine can handle even the most demanding games and applications with ease. Its 512GB solid-state drive ensures lightning-fast boot times and snappy performance, while the genuine Windows 10 Home operating system provides a smooth and user-friendly experience. What truly sets this gaming PC apart is its impressive connectivity options. With multiple USB ports, RJ45, serial, and Wi-Fi Bluetooth connectivity, you can seamlessly integrate a wide array of peripherals and accessories. The powerful AMD Radeon RX 588GB GDDR5 video card delivers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay, complemented by the vibrant RGB case lighting and RGB fans that create an immersive and visually captivating gaming environment. Number 5. iBuyPower Pro Y60 Gaming PC. The iBuyPower Pro Y60 Gaming PC is a true powerhouse, engineered to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience. With its cutting-edge Intel Core i9-13900KF processor boasting 24 cores and 32 threads, this machine effortlessly handles the most demanding games and heavy workloads. The 32GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM ensures seamless multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications and browser tabs simultaneously without lag. At the heart of this gaming beast lies the formidable NVIDIA IA GeForce RTX 4070 12GB graphics card, which provides stunning visuals and smooth gameplay, eliminating dropped frames, video stuttering, and screen tearing. The 1TB NVMe solid-state drive ensures lightning-fast boot times and rapid access to your favorite games and essential files. To keep the system running cool and quiet, even under intense loads, the Y60x9N4701 is equipped with a liquid cooling system and an optimized Y60 chassis for optimal airflow. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.